Yeah, my people, welcome back to another video, you know. Well, most of them supposed to see me share 2 photos the other day, you see me? When me did in removal proceedings with immigration, you see me? And you don't know the thing, go. I used to do my meds and said, John, last year, them time, I'm on the behind the bars to Bumbleclad, a fight for freedom, you see me? So it just bring back a whole lot of memories. You know what I say? No jokes about it. Looking where me did there last year, them time, yeah. You see me? Compared to now. You see me? Truly a blessing, you. You don't fight and never give up. But anyways, in order for me bring on through the immigration experience, more than I have to go backtrack. I'm going to take on back all the way to September the 12th, 2023. The night me get arrested. Oh, immigration get really have me upon them radar and thing. So you don't know a thing go. Monday day in a part of Tennessee, named Gatlinburg. You see, pre, no jokes about it. If you know, parts of Tennessee is a fucking redneck place. You see me, at least Tennessee is a redneck state. That me say. You see me, I have some other cities inside of Tennessee what just fucked up you through. No jokes about it. You see me? Redneck state. They don't like black people. They're racist as fuck. You see me? Anyways, they in a Gatlinburg. We get familiar. You see me? We turn regular. We are not tourists car. You don't know. We are working in our area. You don't know. So we have your bars and places where we have to go every night go chill out. So you see me? People know we are familiar with it. But on this particular night, the same bar where I always go. The bar named Shamrock. If you familiar with Shamrock, you don't know say this is a vibe, you see it. And this particular night, as I say my people, me and my dog them with the out, I drink, you know. I drink. If you know, Shamrock must be like 1 o'clock. You see me? When it catch about 1:45, the DJ normally announce on the mic say, yo, you don't know a thing go. Final call for purchasing of any alcohol. You see me? Because I place all lock up. So you don't know anything, everybody I get them final liquor or drinks. The place start take time, I get empty now, everybody I come out. While me I come out, me have anything back in my hand, you see me? But me I drink it and I come out, so the bartender stop me in one gun and say, hey, you can't take the bottle out. You see me? My first 40 and I like me, I don't know, you know. No. But my first, you see me? I just want to go home. So the lady I make me know, say, I have a drink her for me, I drink her. So I face the counter and face she turn the thing I made and put on the empty buckle. While me I go up my people, you know, so I want Apple Watch catch. Me I, yeah brother, so me I say bombard, and looking at the same time, I say, I was so careless. Something like an Apple Watch just did it lying there, you see me I say, so, me not see nobody I move to it, so I move to it, my people, brawling. You don't know me have my iPhone 13 Pro Max, so you watch it, I go compliment the thing. Anyways, we take up a watch and go out the door. Did that turn on the watch, the battery dead. You see me? However, when I reach inner light, I kind of observe the Apple Watch now. I realize, say, the screen crack up and be a thing. So I say, Bumbleclad is a ways I find this. No jokes. Anyways, now my people, I go home. Go home, you know, sleep. Wake up the next day. Go back, I see a bar. You see me, I say, you don't know, so as me I walk, I go towards the bar. I order a drink. I must buy 1 cigarette. I know I don't drink my juice. I just 3 police that me see approach me. I say, could you please step outside for me? Just reaching my place, no jokes about it. Police say, could you please step outside for me? I step out with them. And immediately I know say, I watch them and they want to come page me for. So same time I check to take the watch out of my purse. Because they in my bag, I say, hey, I know say, at this I try to arrest me for you, and can't give me a chance. And I like say, it's a situation where I steal the watch. I find it carelessly. You see me I say, and at the same time, and I like say, how me dip on the run. I come back to the same place where I find out for sure, so I never thief me a thief. Because I wish thief and go back to the same place. Anyways, my people, man, them have me and bring me what I do. And when I look at show him, man, I show myself on the camera. I take up a watch, yo. I'm say, Bumbleclad, brother. You see me I say, I did a plea to them and I try to beg them a chance, yo, my people, no jokes about it, but boy them a move like say them other man, brother. See I one black man today, you know. See I one black couple, and I say, please, yo, make a income talk to me so that we can either talk me or what I get a chance, cause I say, bro, It's not a good thing to get yourself entangled with the line or worse when time you don't have papers in a foreign, you know. It's best to be low key, like underneath the carpet. Yeah, brother, the better when you stay low key like under the carpet, man. I'm to you, man, believe. Yeah, yo. Anyways, the man them start pop me down my people. Man, then take my phone, go in my bag and find my passport. Only for my identification that may have for me. So same time my dog run it, he look like a dog, he say, overstay in a place. Immediately a linky man start link up. Ice now, you know. Yeah, brother. Ice man start link up. It look like when me look. Man, then fling me that in Jeep and bring me to severe county jail, my people. No jokes about it. When me a go down there, yo, I feel like the biggest bumble, because me I say, yo, me I think it worse. Me I say, rascal, I eat this now. Come me get the opportunity to come a foreign, to come. You see me? Turn up my thing and make myself be a better man. You see me? And look there, everything get fucked. Worse starts, say me I thinking, I'm a bring my people, no jokes. Me I pray to God, say God, please make a policeman mind change or heart change and give me a chance. Not at all, brother, just be a wishful thinking. When the man then bring me to jail now, my people, me I pray in my mind, say I hope I can't get a bail. Me I pray to God, say I can't get bail, brother, because I just want to come out of the place. Man then bring me to jail about after 1 in the morning. You see me? Yeah, man, after 1. Man then bring me on, I said, blood clot. When me I'll get a chance to see magistrate. I must so then call the head or the person who really give information about your case, you know. Arraignment they must call it. You see me, so finally get to see a magistrate. That about 2 days after, you know, me done lock up on that jail, you know. You see me? My people, them then not even hear from me, and I not even know how to call them, because I'm embarrassed. I don't know how me ever tell the people, them say, yo man, get arrested, brother. You see me? And then I removal proceedings. Bro, one time I finally see the magistrate, because I say my people, magistrate, him tell me blah blah blah, and the man say, alright, bail is set at $1,000. You see me? I just that me did 1 year, I got the fault. You see me? I just that me did 1 year. One time he start make some link now with some bail bond office. By the way, I reach out to my baby mother fast and can say, yo, this a go on, you know. Brrr, you see me? This a go on. You see me? Cause me finally a breaking news now, you see me? I say, cause you don't know anything, I need money to come on. So I saw people start know, close people, them in my family start know, say, yo, me dey behind the slammer. Anyways, me did I try get $1,000 my people so that the bonds office can get them thing. So that me can dig off. I'm going to know say one whole place for me. So you say me even send the money my people, get the money and send it to the bail place. Would I get FCM with them would release me some would I just pay my money for nothing. And I like say, and it's not a situation like that money, it is refundable. I just pay that and get fucked. And the woman on the phone know the situation, you know, but she a try lead on my baby mother so that she show out the money. A good thing my baby mother she question things and do her research or so. Would I get one fat piece of chop? You see me, I say, anyways, when time here, I say, yo, I can't get no bail, my people. I say, my blood clot, or what is? You see me? The people, them say, alright, we have said court date for you now, brother, you have to go see a judge. You see me? In my mind, now, I said, bumbo clot. That means I go want a lawyer. Remember, now, I don't have no money. And what go on, I say, I don't need a lawyer for this. I can't talk my way through. I just want honest, mess up. And I like say, I stick up somebody and rob them. And I like say, I go in somebody bag. You see me, I say, so I did confident, yo, so I say, yo, I have to go do this in yo, I not get a lawyer. So, you see me, I say, no jokes about it. Man, them have me in a jail as I say, my people, I did wait. Until about a month, I spend in a jail before I get a chance to see a judge. No jokes about it. I get to see a judge, must say Thursday, October 17. 2023, one time I go before a judge, my people, I talk, I get even one public defender, I talk to the public defender upon the phone, online court, you know, every minute the phone I ring me, I have to go to the door and I talk to you, public defender talk for me, I explain myself, make him know my situation, I have a youth on the way, I have to get married, you see me, my mother a file for me, a bag of things me have going on, I just cannot plead guilty, because that then did I try what I'm do, you know, for plead guilty, yo, you see me. For pre not guilty, I mean, sorry, pre not guilty, I make it thing get straight, drawn out, turn in a trial. May I get for understand, I can all the back of the bar, see all year, 1 year or 2 before them even fought for my people. But anyways, the public defender do a good job. The charges, then they end up drop against my people, no jokes about it. A man say, Mr. Freeman, even though you're not found guilty, you still have to stay here. Stay tuned for part 2.